I'm back with a look at Bitcoin. All right, that this could be this week. Could be the last bounce we get out of this thing for a while. It could be. All right, you want to pay very, very close attention once we get up to this 618-702 area for rejection. All right, I'm going to show you the crypto bubbles real quick, and then I'm going to go over this chart. All right, this is the top 100 for the day. You can see out there, got a lot of stuff getting the daily RSIs reset, so should start getting some bounces out of some things. Got a lot of RSIs getting down there. Okay, now let's go over this Bitcoin chart. All right, there's a couple things I definitely want to go over. Number one, way back when, okay, we talked about this months and months and months ago about this 618 fib level. Boy, I just really didn't expect it to just be a wick up in there, though, but that's all we got out of this thing. All right, here's the Fibonacci on, this is Bitcoin on the weekly, it just came up. That's all we got. That was it, a wick, back in 2017. That's about what we got back there, too. Look at this, 2017, we got that 618. That was it. You can see what happened after that. This is on the weekly, so yeah, you had 1, 2, 3. Of course, and then we had this. What was this pullback? That's another thing I really want to pay attention to here. Okay, let's take after that run up there. We ended up having a pullback. 53%. Okay. So you want to be super careful right now. If we go from the swing low to the swing high, look at that. Ended up being just about to that 702. Then of course we had COVID. That was black swan event. But right when we pulled back down to that 702 there, it probably should have taken off from there. Now, if that same thing ends up happening over here, all right, let's get this off here. Say this thing pulls back to a 702. Where would that put this thing at? 25,000 bucks. 25,500. I don't know if that's going to happen, but hey, anything's possible, right? Let's move this. Let's see up here. Where would a 7? I'm sorry. I apologize about that. This actually should have been up here. Okay, that makes more sense. 32,000 bucks. Okay, yeah, that sounds a little bit better. I was thinking, geez, 25 grand. That don't sound too good to me. But yeah, okay. Here we would go. That's our swing low over here to our swing high. Okay, I apologize, guys. I had ended up down for a few days here, so just getting my head back together and getting into things here. So let's take a look at this chart. All right, on the daily, we're going to take a look at a couple things here because we have that daily RSI reset. All right, so we should be getting a bounce up here. Now, like I said, the areas I would watch out for very, very closely here for Bitcoin. All right, once it gets up towards this 46,100 to 46,500. I honestly think it's going to get rejected around this area and roll over between that 618 and 702. The 618 is right around 46,185. It's probably going to get rejected there, quite honestly. Now, if we look at the RSIs, the daily's reset. The 12-hour is just coming up. The 8-hour is on its way up. And the 4-hour is at the top here. But the ones that are concerning is the weekly's pulling down. And then we have bearish divergence here on the weekly. We have a high here. And we have a higher high on price, a lower high on the RSI. So we got bearish divergence on the weekly. And then on the monthly, this RSI is at a 196. All right, so very close to rolling over. Then our big pull down could occur. It's coming sooner or later, no doubt about it. When you get that monthly bearish, I believe we're having a bull run this year, no question about it, but I believe we're going to have a big pullback before that. All right, guys, thank you very, very much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you soon.